Need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 5 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of hot water, and today we're making garlic butter tortillas. To our bowl, and our 3 cups of flour, our 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to go ahead and put in our baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Now we're going to add in our tablespoon of garlic. We're going to go ahead and give this a good mix, our dry ingredients. So once you get it all mixed up, we're going to go ahead and melt our butter with 1 cup of water in the microwave. We'll go ahead and dump our water in butter. And this is what gives it the flavor. So we're going to go ahead and combine all this together. You can get your hands in here if you want. So yeah, it looks like I'm going to have to go ahead and put my hands in here and get to the nitty gritty on it. So just keep moving it around and building it together. Keep mixing all the stuff together until it's all combined. I can smell it already, you guys. It smells so garlicky. It smells very good. It's kind of going to be like garlic bread, I guess. Ball, so now we're going to go ahead and cover it up with a towel. Real good. We're going to let it sit for 15 minutes. And take these out. And we're going to give it a good old rub. We're going to add some olive oil or sesame seed oil, just a little, to the top. Because you want it to stay moist. Work it in. So you want it to be like a latexy like that. That's how you want it to be. So now what you're going to do, you're going to take your hands, just like so, and you're going to pull off balls just like this. And you're going to give it a good old roll, just like this. Make sure everything is cool on them. You're going to place them on your plate. And do it again. Same amount. Roll it. Tuck it under. Make a ball. Just like so. Dump them on your plate. Tortillas are all rolled into balls, so this roughly makes 12 tortillas with the 3 cups of flour. So we're going to let them sit for 15 minutes, covered for 15 minutes. So taking our tortillas, we're going to flatten it just like so, and we're going to roll, flip, roll, flip. Keep doing it. Roll. So it's gonna be all even. Roll. Keep doing it. And it's gonna make a big round tortilla. Round. You want it to be thin. So you just keep flipping it. To do to make my tortillas thin on the edges, pull the bottom parts and it stretches it. When you get it to go over your whole hand, then that means it's soft enough. Now you don't want it to split, just want to stretch it out, thin it out just like so. Just pull it out. And see how the ends are thick? So you want to get these thin by pulling them, stretching them. You just stretch them and stretch them. Just pull it out. Okay, it's reaching over my hands, so we're good. So this is one tortilla, thin it out. A pan, drop down our tortilla. Let it fry on both sides. Flip. Ooh, them look yummy. Let it brown on the other side. See, it's browning on both sides. So our finished product, we have some nice tortillas here. They are foldable, ready to eat, very soft. Garlic, it's called garlic butter tortillas. See all the parsley and stuff on them? I added some parsley flakes to the top. But there you have it. Nice and soft inside. So ready, thin tortilla. It's foldable. Yummy and delicious, you guys. There you have it. Thin sliced tortillas. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.